So, why don't you tell us what happened on that fateful day?
I don't know what happened, man. It just happened so fast. I woke up and my day just started whooping on me. And before you know it, my whole day was over.
Get this guy out of here.
You ever feel like your day just owned you? I'm talking beat you down 6 ways from Sunday, and from the moment you woke up, life says,
I will crush you.
I know I have. The day ensues with anxiety, and you just wish the day would go away. But you soon realize it's only begun.
Are you a victim of being owned by your day? If so, you may be entitled to compensation for the trauma that you've endured. Be sure to call the number on the screen below to protect your rights.
Dude, out of here, man. You don't need to dial that number to protect yourself, because today I'm going to give you 5 tips that you can implement right now to help you win your day every day. If that sounds good, then let's jump in. Achievers, welcome back to Project Dream and Achieve It. My name is Joshua Angel for those of you who are new here. This is Project Dream and Achieve It, where we give you a new take on the 1% Club. If you're interested in learning the most simple, practical tips that you can implement right now today to help you achieve any goal that you desire, then be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell so that you're notified every Monday when I drop some fresh, new content. And enough of that, let's get in the video. Tip number 1 that you can implement immediately right now, starting today, to win your day, is start the night before. Folks, the only way to win your day is you gotta prepare for it. I'm sure you can think of a million examples of how lack of preparation can cause you a ton of trouble and hinder you from getting your desired outcome. You ever flown somewhere and you didn't pack anything and you didn't make sure that you got to the airport on time so that you could get through the security and also find your terminal? And you forgot to bring your ID and your passport and some cash. And on top of all of that, you didn't even notify your bank that you're traveling internationally, so they froze your accounts on suspicious activity. Sounds pretty ridiculous, right? Well, actually that's how many of us live our lives today. So dude, if you're not gonna actually do that when it comes to planning a trip, why would you do that when it comes to planning your life? I'm sure you believe it's more important to plan for your life, which is awesome because I'm about to show you how you can plan every day so that you come out on top. Now, I've talked about this before in previous videos, but I believe it's important enough and it's helped me enough that it's worth repeating.
What are you doing?
Watching Try Not to Cry challenge videos. I think I'm losing.
He lies that he's not hungry.
You see, we all need to be reminded when we're not doing things that serve our vision of life. Set yourself a bedtime alarm 1 hour before you want to go to sleep. When that alarm goes off, no more phone time, especially hiding in the bathroom. This is going to be your hour of power. This is when you're going to wind down and prepare yourself for tomorrow. That could be by getting your gym clothes ready, getting your work clothes ready, getting your food prepared, and making sure that you're ready to take on the day. Because when that alarm goes off tomorrow, you got to make sure that you don't have anything you got to do. You just get up, grab it, and go. Better yet, set a limit on your apps that you tend to use at night. Put resistance between you and your bad habits. If there's friction, you're less likely to make a bad decision. If you want to know more about overcoming resistance when working towards your dreams, then go ahead and check out this video right here where I show you the exact strategy that you need in order to overcome resistance every time. Now, I'm not going to tell you when to go to bed or wake up in the morning because you're grown and you don't need me telling you what to do. Personally, I go to bed at 9:45 in the evening and I get up at 4:30 in the morning, but my schedule may not work for you. Awesome, dude. You set up your bedtime alarm and you just took the first step towards winning your day. Tip number 2 that you can implement first thing tomorrow morning to win your day is don't hit the snooze button. Dude, we're all guilty of this. There are so many reasons why hitting the snooze button is bad. One of which is you may end up having a similar fate as this guy. Now, I like Bedros Keuilian's explanation the best as to why if you're trying to win your day, hitting the snooze button is the worst thing that you could do. He says that the conscious mind and subconscious mind is like an iceberg, with the conscious mind being the tip of the iceberg and the subconscious mind being that really big portion underneath the ocean. The subconscious mind, it controls our thoughts, our big decision making, our belief systems, and our actions, and basically tells our conscious mind what to do. So if the first thing that you do when you wake up in the morning is hit that snooze button. Effectively, what you're telling your subconscious mind is that you choose 8 to 10 minutes of mediocre sleep over getting up and living your passion and purpose in life. If you're a person that hits that snooze button multiple times, then what you're doing is reprogramming your subconscious mind to choose mediocrity in sleep over purpose, passion, and domination of path. Now you see why this simple action is hindering you from winning your day and dominating your life. Let me know in the comments below if you're dedicated and committed to living your best life and never hitting that snooze button again with the hashtag #NeverHitSnooze. Achievers, you know what time it is. It's time to give a weekly shout out to one of y'all from the community of the Achieving Familia. If you're new here, we here at Project Dream and Achieve It absolutely love giving a shout out to someone here in the community who is getting after it and inspiring us all. If you want to get a shout out in one of our videos, dude, it's super simple. All you gotta do is comment down below with the hashtag Achieving Dreams with your biggest takeaway from today's video. But don't forget, you gotta post it on Instagram. You gotta show proof with the hashtag Achieving Dreams. And don't forget to tag us at Project Dream and Achieve It. Thank you so much. I want to give a shout out to Juan Burstein from Online Entrepreneur Now. Juan has been a supporter of this channel since day one, and I want to send some loving back his way. Juan's channel is designed to give you the information that you need to escape that rat race and live the laptop lifestyle. Do me a solid and check out Juan's channel, Online Entrepreneur Now, and give my boy some good loving. Thank you, Juan, for being a part of the Achieving Familia, and I look forward to you and your channel achieving massive success. Salute! Tip number 3 is a deadly 2-part combo to win your day. 1. Make yourself a winning streak list, and secondly, make a commitment to post it to your social media stories every single day. Tag Project Dream and Achieve It so that I can get inspired by your commitment to change. I was inspired by Charlie Rocket, who is famous for many things, one of which is his winning streak concept.
We're on a winning streak!
Something as simple as Charlie getting a green light is an addition to his winning streak. This is a really profound exercise that can help you practice gratitude for the big and little things in life. By acknowledging the wins that you're having, both big and small, it actually expands your mind to start looking for other wins that you may not normally think of. This naturally lights a fire in your belly to stack as many wins as you possibly can until you have an undefeated winning streak. The reason why I encourage you to post to social is because, for one, it's a means of holding you accountable to your commitment, and secondly, it's a means of inspiration for others. Tip number 4 that you can implement to win your day is start with a big, needle-moving action first thing in the morning. Right after using the toilet and before you check your email, news, social, and text, be sure to attack something first thing in the morning that's going to really push the needle forward. How do you know what that thing is? Simple. You figured it out last night during your hour of power when your bedtime alarm went off. For me, it's the gym. That's the thing, that's my anchor, dude, okay? That's the thing that if I do it, I feel like the rest of my day is going to be amazing because I showed up and put the work in the gym. And for you, it may be different. It may be working on a side hustle before you make your commute to work. It may be spending quality time with your family and making sure that your relationships are tight. And it may change from day to day. But what's important is that you decide the night before, because come time when that alarm goes off, you're going to actually be excited to get out of bed because you got a reason to. The last and final tip that I got for you to win your day is commit to learning something new every single day. That could come from listening to a podcast, reading a book, or even watching a video like this. Or hey, it even could come from having a deep conversation with a friend or a loved one.
Whoa!
Right.
You never know what one piece of knowledge can do for your life. People say that you're one decision away from a completely different life, and I say, decisions are best made with wisdom. And hey, if you ain't got any of your own, no problem. All you gotta do is read yourself a book, listen to a podcast, read a blog, or any other vehicle that there is to share information. The more you learn, the better you get at life. And the better that you get at life, the more likelier you are to win your day. It's plain and simple, folks. I hope that this content has been valuable to you, and I hope that it's very clear now on how you can win your day every day. Let me know down in the comments below what your biggest takeaway is with the hashtag Achieving Dreams. If you found value in this video, please be sure to give it a like, give it a thumbs up because it really helps the video and more people can benefit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every single week when I drop some fresh content to help you achieve all of your dreams. Be sure to share the video, and lastly, hit that notifications bell so again that you're notified every time I drop new content. Thank you so much. If you want to learn more about my personal strategies and how I achieve my goals, then be sure to catch that playlist at the end of this video. It could be the very thing that you need to change your life, so you don't want to miss it. Achievers, what's going on? Hey, I want to give a big shout out to my best friend Joseph for helping me out, aka the Dave. Why don't you come in here, Joseph? Joseph, hey, this is YouTube, Joseph. Now that you guys have met, I want you guys to actually follow Joseph on his Twitch. And if you could tell him the channel.
Mayonaka no Ryu 5000, where I game daily.
You heard it right here, folks. Check him out, give him some loving. Thank you so much, Achievers. Take care.
Later.
That's it from me. I'm Joshua Angel. This is Project Dream to Achieve It, where we give you a new take on the 1% Club, and we remind you every single week that you too can be a part of that exclusive, elusive 1% Club if you only commit to being 1% better today. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Be great. Take care.
I need you to pull the covers, please. Oh. Hold on. We're gonna do that again.